Today I'm going to show you how to import data into monday.com. This is a great way to quickly populate your boards with existing information from spreadsheets or other sources, saving you tons of time compared to manually entering each item. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the board where you want to import your data. This is the workspace that will receive all the information you're about to upload, so make sure you've selected the correct board before proceeding. Once your board is open, look towards the top of your screen and locate the button that says plus new item. You'll notice there's a small drop-down arrow right next to it. Go ahead and click on that drop-down arrow. This will reveal a menu with several options for adding content to your board. From the menu that appears, select import items. This opens up monday.com's import interface, which is designed to help you bring in data from external files seamlessly. Now you'll see a frame where you can upload your file. Simply drag your file directly into this frame. Monday.com supports various file formats, including Excel and CSV files, so you should be able to upload most common spreadsheet formats. Once your file begins uploading, you'll see a progress indicator. Wait for the upload to complete, then click Next to move forward. The next screen is where you'll match your data to your board structure. You'll need to select which column from your import file should become the item name. This is important because the item name corresponds to your board's first column and serves as the primary identifier for each row. Use the drop-down menu to make your selection, then click Next. Now comes the mapping stage. Here you'll see drop-down menus that allow you to map each column from your import file to the corresponding columns on your monday.com board. Take your time with this step to ensure everything aligns correctly. If there are columns you don't want to import, you can simply unmap them by deselecting them from the drop-down. Once you're satisfied with your column mapping, click Next. At this point, you'll need to decide how to handle duplicate items. Monday.com gives you 3 options. You can create new items regardless of duplicates, skip any duplicates entirely, or overwrite existing items with the new data. Choose the option that best fits your needs based on whether you want to preserve existing data or replace it. After making your selection, click Start Import. Monday.com will now begin processing your file and adding the items to your board. You can monitor the progress through the progress bar that appears in the bottom right corner of your screen. Depending on the size of your file, this might take a few moments, so just be patient while the system processes everything. Once the import is complete, you'll receive a notification confirming that your data has been successfully imported. You can now see all your imported items displayed on your board, properly organized according to the mapping you configured. And that's it. You've successfully imported your data into monday.com, saving yourself hours of manual data entry. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.